Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Let's check out SciencesPo Mastercard Foundation Scholarship in France. This is a scholarship opportunity that offers full funding, monthly stipend and accommodation for international students to earn their master's degree in France. I'll read this out briefly. The Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program is open to students who are admitted onto a master's program at SciencesPo and who meet the eligibility criteria for the scholarship. Students receive the scholarships and financial aid throughout the 2 years of their master's program. This application is currently open. You can see right here in the admission timeline, the application platform opens early October 2025, and application deadline for master's programs and the Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program is 4 January 2026. And then around mid-December 2025, mid-February 2026, early April 2026, depending on the application dates, SciencesPo admissions will start rolling in. Let's take a look at the eligibility criteria for the Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program. The first criteria here is that you must hold citizenship in a country within Africa. You must have completed or currently enrolled in a bachelor's degree program at one of the SciencesPo institutions of reference. The third one is that you must be in genuine of funding for your higher education, and you must show a commitment to achieving change in Africa. You must be under 35 years when you begin your master's program, and you must not already hold a master's degree. So these are the simple criteria for the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship in this university. This is one of those scholarships that you apply separately from your normal master's degree application. You have to apply for your degree program first before proceeding to apply for this scholarship. And it is written here that to be selected for the Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program, you must first be accepted onto a master's program at one of the SciencesPo graduate schools. Let's take a look at the master's program. Once you click on the master's program, you'll be able to see the list of available master's program in the institution. So we have 30 master's programs that are eligible for this. We have School of Public Affairs. Under School of Public Affairs, we have Master in Public Policy and Master in European Affairs. We also have International Affairs. We have Master in International Security, International Governance and Diplomacy, International Economic Policy, Master in International Development, and a whole lot of other ones. I won't list all of them here. Under Law School, we have Master in Economic Law and the rest of them. Under Urban School, we have Master in Regional and Urban Strategy, Master Urban Governance, Policy and Planning, Master in Urban Planning as well. Under School of Management and Impact, we have Master in International Business and Sustainability, Master in Finance and Strategy, Master in HR and Sustainable Governance, Master in Communications, Media and Creative Industries, Master Communication, Master in Marketing, and then the rest of them. Under School of Journalism, we have Master in Journalism and then the rest of them. So you just come here and go through this list, and if of your choice program is here, you can proceed. Let's go back to the remaining section of the application details. So they went further to state that you will need to apply for your choosing master's program and the Mastercard Foundation Scholarship Program via the International Graduate Admission Procedure. So when you're ready to apply, you can come here and start your application. It's also important that you go through the SciencesPo application guide before starting your application. You'll be able to learn one or two things from the application guide. We have the full list of the application process that covers the eligibility for the Mastercard Foundation Scholars Program, admission to a master's program at SciencesPo, evaluation process and shortlisting, scholarship award decision, and process of supporting and assisting new scholars. Let's take a look at the documents for the application. And it's advised that you begin to prepare and assemble your supporting documents that you will need for the application. And the following documents are necessary and are needed. You will need all the supporting documents required for international graduate admissions to SciencesPo, all the supporting documents that you'll be needing to use for your international graduate admissions. You can decide to click on the supporting documents here and go through it. You will be required to provide a valid photo ID. You need to provide your proof of income or lack thereof, demonstrating your financial circumstances, something like tax documents, income statement, scholarship certificates, or any other legal document attesting to your financial situation. You must submit at least one document with your application. Remember that bank statements will not be accepted. So these are the admission criteria. It's a very competitive and highly selective scholarship, and for you to be selected, you need to show ambition, originality, and tenacity in pursuing entrepreneurial or social impact projects aimed at achieving socio-economic change in Africa, ability to demonstrate critical thinking and perceptiveness in understanding and analysis of major contemporary political, economic, and societal challenges facing Africa and the rest of the world. The final one is demonstrable adequation between the degree held, the choice of master's program at SciencesPo, the personal and academic background, and the future professional plans. Alright, and it's stated here that you are required to be authentic. Do not use ChatGPT in a nutshell. Okay, let me read it. Students are encouraged to express themselves authentically in their motivation letters and to draw on specific experiences to explain how joining the Mastercard Foundation Scholars program will enable them to achieve change. Misuse of artificial intelligence to answer the questions will prove a disadvantage to the application. So you have to be careful, be as authentic as possible during the course of writing your motivation. So there's also some important things to note here, and I've already mentioned some of them, that your program must be a 2-year program, and if you choose to defer your admission also, you'll no longer be able to apply for the scholars program. And if you do not meet the scholarship eligibility criteria, you'll not be able to apply for the program, but you may proceed with your application to SciencesPo once you have paid the application fee. We also recommend applying for the MA About My scholarship. This is also another scholarship in France that you might consider. It's a good thing that they're also making recommendation here. So you can, maybe I'll do another video on this particular one. This scholarship is another beautiful scholarship available in France. Alright guys, I think that will be all for now. I'm going to be leaving the link to this particular site in the description of the video, so you can also come here and go through it, read it properly, and when you're ready to submit your application, you can click on International Graduate Admission Procedure here. You can just click on it and it will take you to where you're supposed to submit your application. I wish you guys the best of luck. Bye for now. I'll see you again in my next video.